Hi guys, so today we're going to be going through a beginners and mixed ability Pilates class. Okay, so let's get into it. So first, all we're going to do is we're going to start off in 4-point kneeling. Okay, we're going to draw our belly button towards our spine. All we're going to do is we're going to have our hands directly underneath the shoulders. Just going to bend the elbow slightly and then just begin to rock in circles. Good, in the opposite direction. Keeping that back flat or tummy tucked. Good, and then just come back to center. From here, we're just going to sit back in the shell stretch. So we're going to go bump the heels. Going to reach out in front. So trying to get that chest towards the mat. And we're just going to hold. Good, and we'll just walk the hands out to one side. Good, if the hands are out to the left, I want you to lean into your right shoulder. If your hands are out to the right, lean into your left shoulder. Good, and then back across to the opposite side. Same again, leaning into that shoulder. Good, bring the hands back to center, back up in the 4-point kneeling. From here, we're going to go into cat-cow. So, hands directly underneath the shoulders. All we're going to do is we're going to draw our belly buttons right up toward the ceiling. We're going to tuck our chin. Pause for a second or two, and then we're going to come down. Draw that belly button down towards the mat. Lift the head. Good, just go through those movements. Pausing for around 2 to 3 seconds at the top. And then same again at the bottom. Good, and just finish off on your own, and then just come back to center. Good. From here, we're going to go into thread the needle, so we're going to bring one hand underneath, trying to get that ear down towards the mat. We're going to pause for a second or two, and then we're going to come through. We're just going to open out. Good. And just keep going through those movements. Good. And just finish off. Good. Bring the hand back to center, and let's do the opposite side. We're going to do the exact same. The hand comes through, trying to get the ear down towards the mat. We're going to pause for a second or two. We're going to come through, and we're just going to open out. Good, and just finish off. Good, and just come back down into 4-point kneeling. Okay, from here, I want you to imagine there's a tray of drinks in your lower back and you're trying not to spill them. So all we're going to do is we're going to kick one leg straight back, bring it back in, and then same again with the opposite leg. So trying to keep everything as still as you can, not letting those tray of drinks spill. Good, we'll do one more each side. Good, and relax. From here, we're just going to come on to your sides. We're just going to pop our head mat or pillow just in between our arm and our head. We're going to bend the knees up. We're going to go into clam level 1. So all we're going to do is we're going to keep the heels together, and we're just going to open out and back down. So exhale on the way up, inhale on the way back down. Keeping the hips stacked on top of each other, not letting the hips roll back. Good, one more. Good. Now let's go into climb level 1 or level 2. So we're going to lift the heels up off the floor and we're going to do the exact same. So hips stacked on top of each other. We're going to open out. Good. And back down. Nice exhale on the way up. Inhale on the way back down. Good, one more. And relax down, just take a bit of a stretch. Just pull a knee up the chest or straighten the leg out. Good. Relax back down. Okay. From here, we're going to go into climb level 2 with a side kick. So we're going to lift the heels up off the floor. We're going to open out. We're going to kick out to the side. Bring the heels together and the knees together. Good. So open out. Kick out to the side. Bring the heels together and the knees together.